Hey beauties, and welcome back to IAmBeautifulHustlerTV. Today's wig is sponsored by Hershow Hair, and they did send over this 13 by 4 26-inch straight wig. Now what I love most about this wig had a really nice lace quality, and the lace hairline was already pre-plucked, so I did not do any plucking whatsoever for this wig. Now down below I have a video of the packaging of this wig and all the little goodies it came with inside the box. But moreover, I'm going to jump straight into installing this straight wig, and today's tutorial will be a no baby hair tutorial. So for those who are not a fan of baby hairs, you guys should like this video very much. Now for starters, I already started with the cap being pretty much on her head. So I'm going to get straight into it, just applying the foundation on the top and on the inside of that lace. And then I'm going to go in with my Beautiful Hustler lace melt adhesive and begin to apply my layers of my lace glue and just spread it out, you know, nice, flat, and smooth. And then after applying all of my layers, I will go ahead and begin to pull that lace down into that glue. And using my blow dryer on the heat setting, melt the lace in and then begin to cut off the extra lace. To prevent the lace glue from being on the outside of the lace, make sure when you are putting the lace down into that glue, you line it up where the edge of that glue is stopping and where the beginning of the hair on that lace begins. That way you don't have to worry about any lace glue being outside of your hairline area. So now I'm going to go ahead and begin to razor off the extra lace, and then I'm going to go in with that adhesive once again and just tack down any pieces that is still lifting in the front of the lace, and just using my fingertips and my comb to just push that lace into that glue. Now that the lace is all tacked down, I'm just going to go ahead and part this wig down the center because we'll just be doing a simple part down the middle. And then I'm going to go in with my bed head and my lace melt, my melt belt to tie and secure down the lace as it molds down with that holding spray. And then in the meantime, while that's drying and molding in, I will begin to press out this hair. And I will actually be using a new product that I seen in my local CVS, and it's like a Garnier flat iron spray. And what you pretty much do is just spray that spray onto the hair. Each piece that you're about to flat iron, you just spray it and then you flat iron it. And what it's supposed to do is just get the hair nice, straight, and sleek. And it's supposed to kind of hide the flyaways. I'm not sure how I feel about it yet, but I'm still just going to keep using it until I see, I'm going to try different ways to use it to see if I actually like it or not. But this is my first time using it, so I just wanted to try it out. And you guys will see it in the next clip of this video, so stay tuned. So based on the instructions with this spray, every piece you're about to flat iron, you have to spray that piece and then flat iron it. And you have to do that for each piece that you're about to press out. This is not really a product you just put all over the hair one time and then flat iron. You actually have to spray directly on the hair. And as soon as you spray it, go in with your flat iron for it to work. So that's what the directions are based on the bottle. So I would just continue to try this product out on a few other clients, and then I will let you guys know like if I recommend it or not. If you don't have this product, you can just use the regular heat protectant spray or the heat protectant oil or just any oil period that will give you a nice smooth and sleek finish. Okay guys, so I did forget to mention I am using a new flat iron. I went and purchased me a new blow dryer, flat iron, wand curler, and everything like that. So this flat iron here is a Remington Pro flat iron, and I purchased this flat iron from Walmart, as well as the blow dryer that comes with it. And for the small flat iron that I'm using now, it's like a small 1-inch Infinity Pro, but I absolutely love the Infinity Pro and the Remington flat irons. They are affordable, they get really hot, and they work wonders. So you guys don't really have to spend hundreds of dollars on a flat iron when you can get flat irons just as good for a way more affordable price. And as I mentioned, I did get all of those new hot tools from Walmart. But now that I have removed that melt belt, I'm just going to take my wax stick once again and just, press and comb out all of the hair that's in the front, and just making sure everything is nice, flat, and neat. So once I do that, that will pretty much, complete this installation. Of course, I'm going to conceal that part before I, finish this video and everything like that. So you guys can pretty much just stay tuned from this point on now and let me know what you think about this look down in the comments. But just a quick reminder, just go ahead and click that subscribe button and turn on your bells, because I will be uploading content back to back and you do not want to miss out. And thank you guys for tuning in to I Am Beautiful Hustler TV.